In this brief video, I'll be teaching you how to make a line insert sleeves perfectly and make it look tailored. First of all, you join the sleeves together at the side seams, both the sleeve and the lining. So then fold the hem allowance according to the length of allowance that you left at the edges, maybe whatever inches you left. Fold and tuck it in into one another, ensure the wrong side is facing the wrong side. Then use your dressmaker's pin to pin them all around. When it's well pinned, you can also do hand sewing, basting if you like, just use running stitches. That's how to do it, pin it all around. After you pin all around, turn it inside out and sew the seams, the edges seams together, probably on an inch or 0.75, or as much as the allowance can allow you, as much as the pin can allow you to sew it in together. Then that's all. Just turn it out. Then what do? You can use hemming gum to hold it in. You can tack the inside in. You can do invisible tacking to hold it together. And that's all. That's how you have your perfectly lined sleeve. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you'll be notified when the next video comes up. I'm still open to one-on-one sewing classes or our general classes in town. See you in the next video. Cheers!